it's Natalie here, and today we are going to open this set, and it's almost the same as this set, but it comes with this dog. This set comes with this dog, and this other set comes with this dog, right there. And this is not really when we're gonna be opening this. So, make sure to watch this video, that video, when I open that, and to watch the other video of this. So, bye!